This is force and motion vocabulary. Force is any push or pull. Motion means any change in position. Speed is how fast you're going. Direction is just which direction are you going, forward, backwards. Acceleration can mean several different things. Acceleration can mean speeding up, but it could also mean either slowing down or changing directions. Mass is very similar to weight. It's how much there is of a substance. Distance is how far an object may have traveled. Friction works to slow objects down. When two objects rub together, it also creates heat. Gravity is the force of Earth pulling everything towards it. Now, Sir Isaac Newton made 3 laws of motion. In the first law, it talks about inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to either stay at rest or wanting to stay in motion. Balanced forces, if the forces are balanced, an object will not move, it'll stay at rest. It takes unbalanced forces to have a change in position. Collisions is where 2 objects hit. Usually the object with more mass is going to create a bigger difference, and it's going to, when most objects collide, they're going to bounce back. Potential energy is due to its position. The higher the object, the more potential energy it's going to have. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. When an object is moving, that potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Sound energy can be produced through a collision. When those 2 objects hit, the kinetic energy is transferred into sound energy and heat energy. There are also simple machines that help to do work. It makes work easier to do. You use less force. One such machine is called a wheel and an axle. You will find these on cars, things that help move heavy furniture. When you put a wheel underneath of it, it makes it easier to move. The other simple machine that we used a lot is the incline plane, which is our ramp. So it just spreads the force out to makes it easier to move.